So I got a package today, and I don't know what is this. Oh my god, I'm so excited! You will probably know what this is because of the title, but yeah, let's get to open this. I'm so freaking excited about this. Let's go. Oh my god. I hate winning. Oh! Okay. Mommy! Oh my god, what's this? The tape is very hard to cut. Very sticky. Ouch! I don't remember you ruined this one. Gotcha. Why so? Get peach. Oh my god, I can't see. Oh my god. Okay, so I think it's not TeenTop class anymore. Mr. Cute? I know. To open. I'm so sorry. Oh my god. Don't be. Oh my god, I think I caught this. Okay, no. Okay, it's safe. Alright. What is this? Why won't you focus? Okay, it's sleazy. Maybe this is a freebie. Oh my god, I like Apink. So thank you. Another one. Oh my god, this is Julian. Right? This is right. Yay, you got this. Thank you so much. Let's open the album. So excited for that. So this is okay. I didn't see the photo card, bro. Okay, so this is the credits. Yes. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. The pictures they what? That was cool. Wait a minute. I think I saw something. Okay, so this is 윤범이, 선나오, 김남주, 어하영, 정은지, 박철호. I got. Yeah, so here's the full card. So is this. Oh my god. Yeah! No, I got my third bias, you know. 저랑, 아니, 범이 저랑 나오는 my top 3, so yay! So let's get to TeenTop class. Here's the album, TeenTop class edition. Let's get that right. I don't know what it's Tracker, Love Blue, Rocking, Don't I? Oh, good. Date, Rockstar, TeenTop class. So yeah. How about the photo card about this? I'm hoping for Eldro because she's my ultimate bae. Like, oh my gosh, she's so hot. Look at that face. And her nose on the eyes is so very attractive. I just wanna. Okay, let's get the photo card first. I don't wanna. Oh my god, oh god, it's a check. Okay, good. I'm not looking. Oh yeah, so this is the CD. It's in there, and usually the CD is in the front of the photo book, right? But this is in the end. TeenTop class edition. Huh. So this is. I don't know what this is for. That's weird. So, okay. Oh god, I think I learned it. Alright. Let's just say TeenTop class edition. Oh god, they're so cool. Oh, baby. They're all cute, by the way. Oh god, this is so cool. Okay. With the freaking magenta hair. I don't know, is that right? Magenta? God, it's so hot. I'm hoping for Eldro, like seriously. I'll just for the card, please. Be mine. Okay, so that's all about now. I'm gonna have a separate video about this one. I'm gonna let you see what's inside of TeenTop Class Edition and Apink's Pink Blossom. And here's my free. Oh, okay, forgot about that. I forget about the photo cards. So, oh my god, who is this? Oh god, it's Jungle. I'm okay with it, by the way. It's not a big deal. I love them all. So, but I really want also. But yeah, it's fine. So yeah, this is so awesome. Thank you for giving me this. Right. So here, that's all. I'm gonna let you see what's inside these 2 albums in the next video. So bye. Bye.